Hi, we are HealthShare, and we created an app and website connected by a database to help make healthcare more accurate and accessible. The user downloads an app onto their Apple Watch, which then allows their heart rate, activity level, and blood pressure to be sent to our database. Our doctors can then log in through our website and access this database, which allows them to treat and monitor their patients from afar.
So this app is basically on the Apple Watch, and it sends all the information all over to the database. So let's go ahead and click on blood pressure. So as you can see, it shows the blood pressure, and then as you click dismiss, it goes to the heart rate. So you can click on heart rate, goes back to the main page, then click dismiss, it goes back to the main page again, then the steps, and there you go. You can see the steps. Then after you click send info, the info gets sent directly to the database that we have created, which is also connected directly to the website. So let's move on to the database.
All right. Yeah, so this is the database that we've been able to directly connect using MySQL and Node.js and Angular. So as you can see here, we have the columns, the patient's last name, patient's first name, their personal health number, average blood pressure, average heart rate, average daily steps, which are all, these three columns are obviously taken from data using the Apple Watch. And then this is not obviously the full working website, but what our website would hopefully look like is this. So when patients log in, they'd be able to enter their information, and then from there, they'd be able to access the database as well as from the doctor's side. So the doctors would be able to access the data as well to observe the patient's history. Let's move on to the code.
So in terms of the code, the Watch app was built with Swift and Xcode. The database was made with Node.js, Angular, MySQL, HTML, CSS, Swift, as well as JavaScript and TypeScript. So as you can see here, we used Angular in order to communicate with Node.js and then take the data from the MySQL database and send it over to the website. So we do not have to manually go in and enter everything all over again. It'll get added automatically. Every patient's information will get added automatically to the doctor, whoever patients are assigned to them. So as you can see here in the code, it says the health number, the last name, first name, all of the data that we entered into the MySQL as well. So if we move on to the other files, so you can see over here, if we go to environment, yeah, so right there, so you can see that it's running on this server. So the Node.js server aids the Angular in order to send all the information over to the website and update everything. So in conclusion, we learned a lot from this and we were able to collaborate effectively. Christine, do you want to add something?
Yeah, so I've really learned a lot, just not really coming from a naturally computer science background. I learned a lot about connecting a database to a website and how to utilize Angular to make really comprehensive websites and really responsive websites as well from my end.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we hope you like our presentation.